In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop the spinning wheel on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So a couple of different options. If you're able to attempt to close out of the unresponsive application just by clicking the X, you can try that. You can also tap the Command, Option, and Escape key, or by clicking the Apple menu up at the top and then selecting Force Quit, and then attempt to close out the application that way. You may just be having issues with too many programs or processes running in the background, which is a different tutorial altogether. But in your case, hopefully this is just an unresponsive app. Just by closing out of it or even restarting your device, you should be able to resolve that. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.